City or toilet. Uy, may beer. Huwag natin sabihin kay tatay. Is that a microphone? Why is there a microphone? Hi Clubbies! Welcome back to Zayne's Learning and Gaming Club. Today we're in, what hotel is this again?
Marco Polo.
Marco Polo Hotel. The reason why we're here is because we really need a vacation, and we need a vacation. We really want a vacation before my school starts, which is in 10 days, something like that. So yeah, let's start. So first of all, this is the couch. Not like really big, but yeah, this is okay. It's a couch, and then there's a little side table here with a plate of apples, which I'm scared to eat because I don't want to get poisoned like Snow White.
Hotel?
Wide. It's supposed
Yeah.
to be wide. Oh my god, it's not talking to remember. Okay, see the view. See the view. Perfect, but the windows are wet because it just rained, and we couldn't get out of our neighborhood for like 10 minutes, 5 minutes, something like that. So yeah, the view's amazing. Okay, wait. We were expecting mountains. These are buildings. Okay, so we're back, and then this is the gigantic door in every hotel you see. All our luggages. Oh yeah, I mean, I'm so sorry. This is a closet with a bathrobe, but I don't need one because I already have one. And this is an iron. And what's it called?
A board.
A board, yeah. School board. Order natin. Okay, so ito lahat ng kalat natin. So these are all our luggages, my mom's bag, and we also have some slippers. Okay, what's here? Is there anything here?
Check.
Wait, it's moving, but I can't seem to like. Oh, drawers. Why is it so hard to open? My hands are too tiny. Okay. So there's this drawer. There's actually nothing inside. We have another closet with millions and millions of hangers. And laundry bags. Yeah. Oh my god, there are more drawers. Drawers everywhere. I can't open it. My hands are too tiny. No, not too tiny, really tiny. Yep, nothing again, but it's bigger than the one earlier. And also nothing here. Moving on to the bathroom, I'm getting deja vu when I see this bathtub. Like, how do people take a bath in this? How do you get in? So, this is the bathtub. Oh, that's how you do it. This is the bed. Tatay! Look! There's a shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. We have this gigantic bathtub, almost bigger than the swimming pool itself. No, I'm just joking. Not sure if we'll be able to swim. And the shower. Yeah, the shower. And some towels over there. And yeah. Come. This is the sink. We also have some soap. Tiny round soap. Some glasses for gargling. And some boxes for toiletries. Dental kit, cotton balls, shaving kit, shower cap, sanitary bag, sewing kit. What's a sewing kit there? What's this? Some tissue and a towel. The mirror is gigantic. Oh yeah, there's a gigantic mirror there and a tiny mirror here. Oh, my hands are gigantic. Oh, it's like the hands in a VR game in Roblox. Yeah. So here's a trash can that kind of looks like a plant pot. Is this a telephone? Why would you need a telephone when you're sitting on a toilet? And I don't know what's this. Tissue. Here's a weird looking seat that kind of looks like a trash can. We open. Mami, pabukas naman. Salamat po. We have a blow dryer here, which is pearl white. Where are we going next? Excuse me. Counters, some stuff here. Nothing once again. We have glasses. Yeah, that's scary. Or they're wine glasses. A fridge with how do I open this? How do I open the fridge?
You try.
Is this even a fridge?
Yeah.
Uy, may beer. Huwag natin sabihin kay Tatay. So yeah, some coffee I think, right? A kettle, spoon, and 2 coffee mugs. Okay, let's close that. We also have a coffee machine, I think.
Yep.
Another coffee machine. Water and our 2 guns. And some food right there. Not sure if it's free. Still a little shelf there. Come. This is the gigantic mirror, which I thought was a door. Why are there drawers everywhere? It's just like our home. Okay, yeah, how do we open this? That's not. It's a cabinet. What's that? The office. Oh, food. Okay. A clock. Telephone again. A ring light. In other words, a lamp. Mga saksakan. Can we close this? The couch again. Not really gigantic. We have this lamp. It looks like a toka-boka lamp. Okay, another lamp. My bag. More drawers. Oh,
What's that?
Bible.
Okay.
Wait, is this supposed to be? Is this supposed to come with the hotel?
Yep. Most hotels have it.
The other side is the same thing. Come. Drawer again. This sign. Microphone. Is that a microphone? Why is there a microphone? Is that a microphone?
You check.
Again.
Why? Are you gonna sing here?
Oh, it's a flashlight. Here's another clock when there's actually already a clock right there. A TV remote, pens, and paper. Another telephone. You can see the bathroom from here. Another lamp, and here's our gigantic bed. Yeah, that's our gigantic bed. Okay.
Sige, dahil zero.
Good afternoon. Is the pool available at 5 p.m.? noodles. Please, please don't pagalitan me. When you come back on Friday. Patay, may hotdog pa sasabihin ko kay mama.
Why are you eating that?
Explain,
Why?
Tatay.
Explain it.
So the reason we're eating 7-Eleven is because the food in Grab, ano ba yan? It wasn't available.
Yeah.
It wasn't available because
No one accepted.
no driver accepted because it was really, really hard. So,
What are you eating?
Try mo anak, Nay.
Ha?
Try mo.
Na?
Try mo lang.
Alat?
May suka.
Yung alat?
Yung rice. Try mo
Alat
rice.
din?
Yung rice? Try mo.
Ano yun? Hainanese.
May kakaiba no? Parang nakulob na kasi yung amoy nung tosino, ay nung longganisa.
so I started for 7-Eleven because Sulgi, she's a Korean ASMR mukbanger. She's Korean, and then I've seen some of her 7-Eleven videos. She goes to 7-Eleven and then she like has ramyeon and then the hot dog on a stick. So I was thinking, okay, yeah, it's gonna be great. But when we went there wasn't even a hot dog on a stick, and we were having hard time out. We were having hard time looking for ramyeon. And then I actually found that it was close to the entrance.
It's different in Korea and Japan. Right?
Yeah, I was expecting the ones in anime.
Okay.
Let's nood. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye, Clubbies. Always listen to your mom and dad. Bye. I'm hungry.